Remember these old school cell phones? The old flip phone? I just want to show you like a little trick that well, a lot of people might not know about, but a lot of people probably must remember these old phones. So this is the first thing that you're going to do. You want to take the back of the battery off. Should just slide right off. Here, see if I can show you. I want to take the back of the battery case off. Then you'll see those three little prongs in the back? What you want to do is grab a little piece of tin foil. We'll try to make it into a little ball. And what your plan is to do with this. Oh, it's hard to hold. Can't. What you want to do is make a little piece. Roll it up right small. And you want to grab your phone. And right in the middle of that prong, you want to jam that right inside there. Well, I'm going to show you without it first. So you want to turn it on. Sure, you can dial numbers and everything, whatever, blah blah blah, press send, and it's going to say no service because it's not hooked up. But you want to shut it off. Take the back battery off. You want to grab that little piece of tin foil that you rolled up, and you want to jam it right in the middle. And what you're doing there is grounding it out. The middle of that one is going to ground it out. So you slide the battery back off, put the battery back on. You'll know if it's grounded out proper when you turn the power on. It should be a sequence of 3 long digit numbers flashing. No, I don't got it grounded out right. Let's try again. Yeah, we'll try that. Let's try this again. There you go. You see a sequence of numbers flashing. What you want to do is press pound, and US should come up. And then you want to press 08 pound. Well, now everybody's using digital phones, but back in the day, this was made into a scanner. Well, somebody figured it out, so they stopped making them so you couldn't listen to other people's cell phone conversations. But people still got these old phones, they're still using the old analog channels. And what you want to do is press 1 1 and any 3 numbers, but always make sure you start off with 1 1. Then you can go like 2 5 2 and always hit pound. 1 1 4 5 8 and 1 1 2 5 5 pound, and just keep on going through the sequence here. Any different kind of numbers that you want to try, pound. Like you can go 2 2 pound. What you're doing there is entering the frequency of the codes of old analog cell phones. It will not pick up digital phones, but I know some people still must be using the old phones. And you always make sure you start off with 1 1. Then like you can go 11605, press pound, 1147 pound, and guaranteed you keep on going through different numbers here, you'll definitely probably pick up something. Before everything went digital, I was having a blast with this. I was listening to other people's cell phone conversations. It was crazy. But in my area now, everything's all digital, so still might be the odd person using the old analog. I don't know if you can hear that. You can hear it, the static. And that's how you can turn this old flip phone into a portable scanner. Just want to show you guys. It's old school, but you still never know. You might pick up somebody. Thanks for watching.